I mean, it's well documented now, certainly not hidden, but that male breasts or gynecomastia is a common phenomenon in males that are exposed to estrogen. And from the industry in England, the beer drinking, it's not uncommon for men that drink a lot of beer daily to grow basically breasts. And I mean, even in this country, related to estrogen substances, whether it's the hops that the estrogen mimics in hops, or even environmental mimics in plastics, etc., that get into the environment, that some more sensitive individuals are being exposed to.
Yeast can produce estradiol, and so they think that the yeast fermenting is a major source of the breast development in beer drinkers.
Interesting. So it may not necessarily be down to the humulone, lupulone, or the other byproducts of the hop.
They're probably not as harmful as the yeast-produced estrogen.
Yeah, interesting.